Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is ensures the safety of the welder's chest region. Clip attachments grip helmet's rim. Fits securely to helmets. Made from durable leather. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is scratch-resistant and made from distortion-free polycarbonate. Protects the filter lenses from heat and spatter. Package of 5. See more product details. Tails, 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 tail. The number 2 on the list is comfort of a baseball hat with the advantages of a full welding helmet. Extensive field of vision up to 2.7 times larger than a standard welding lens. Lightweight compound welding mask with large viewing area. Automatic darkening filter and bright see-through state. Infinitely variable by an adjustment knob. Grinding mode. Ding 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 mode. Ding. The number 1 on the list is Crystal Lens Technology 2.0 with shades 4 to 12. Swiss made. Panorama Field of View 6x. New state-of-the-art ISO FIT headgear. See more product details. 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 Details.